Today I have out here two skulls, the left one and the right one. This is a brand new out-of-the-box skull that I picked up in Las Vegas. The right one is my friend Cedric, who has been aged. Today on Historical Recreations, we're going to learn how to age bone to turn this skull into this one. Join me. And today on how to age bone today, the first thing you're going to need is one of these anatomical skulls or any other type of bone from an anatomical supply store. And I'm going to be leaving a link in the description down below where I purchased this. This one came from Las Vegas. It's a polysynthetic resin skull, and it is beautiful because it is anatomically correct, cast from a real skull. Love the teeth. Our lineup for colors today, I'm using a burnt umber number 925, a burnt sienna number 18, an essential color for aging bone. I also have over here a gold ochre number 609 and a little slightly different one, 905 gold ochre from two different companies. One is Shield and one is Alpha. And I may need that to balance out the color of the sienna. But we're going to be using this first and then see if we need those. And the last color today is an Alpha number 999 black. I'm also using a large number 18 watercolor and a 12. A very essential object you're going to need today is this, a spray bottle with a large amount of water. We may be doing this in the kitchen because it's going to get messy. Also, get yourself some scrap paper in order to put your skull on. Other than that, everything else is in the tutorial. Whenever working with polysynthetic resin materials like this, check it to make sure that you got all the areas. I made sure that this was completely be able to take apart. It's got two magnets inside of it. I'm going to put that back on there because we're going to be working as one unit. And we're going to mist and make the skull damp, which is the most important thing to do first. And I'm just going to be going into the burnt sienna today and putting a light coat over our skull. Just let the material just drip on there and start the corrosion process. Apply it and let it start staining. This is going to take a little while because you got a lot of area to cover. The surface is permanent. With acrylics, you can always wash it off and start again. People out there going, that is really spooky, but it's just prop making. Just mist it down a little bit. And let's hair dry that. Our next essential color we're going to be using today is the burnt umber. And I'm not even going to clean the water. I'm just going to put this right on there. Put this on there. Let's do the technique again. Very lightly lift it down. And let's blow. Okay, so let's now go into our golden ochre. And I have both of them out there to see which one I like better, and basically they're extremely the same. I got both of them that I had chosen. And let's start applying that as a slurry. And let's put a hairdryer on that. I'm going to do another layer of burnt umber on this because our skull is so white compared to Cedric. Cedric came, he was very yellow in comparison to this one. And let's hair dry that down. And our last but very essential color is black. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more wet. Now you can see where the detail is really gonna come out now. No two skulls ever come out alike. In this case, I'm just going to avoid the teeth to keep them a little bit more whiter. Getting that black into the right places. Of our skull. Let's spray that down. Oh man, that looks good. Let's hair dry that. And ladies and gentlemen, I would like for you to welcome the newest member of the Historical Recreations family. I christen thee David. Beautiful and wonderful collection to my props. Gothically yours, Professor.